such a knucklehead, Gunner. Hmm?
Zoom on my new camera's amazing. By the way, Trish, I think you have a tiny cavity in your upper left wisdom tooth.
You have a giant cavity where your brain should be.
Kira, can I get you another slice?
Nope, still good with the 4 you already gave me.
Are they too hot? I can boil them for you.
That's okay. I'm gonna go grab some napkins.
Use my shirt.
I'll stick with paper napkins. Thanks.
Guys, be honest. Am I acting weird?
I wouldn't say weird.
Make
Really
believe.
weird.
Okay, that's
She's just
enough.
so pretty. It's throwing off my whole game.
What you need is someone to subtly talk you up. Allow me. Thank you. How amazing is Austin? He's funny, talented, awesome dancer. Can count to 10 in Spanish. Has amazing hair. What am I forgetting? Just the subtlety part. You're right, Allie. He's a good one. Well, I gotta run. Thanks for lunch.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I should probably go too. I'll have to get back to the store.
Okay, I'm definitely asking you out.
Oh, whoa, bad idea. You can't date your boss's daughter.
But I like her.
I say go for it. Follow your heart. Don't let anyone get in your way. Des, you're in my way.
Hey, Trish. I was thinking, since you and Allie aren't crazy about Jimmy Star's gift, how about you put together a small bouquet for Allie and get yourself something too? I'll pay.
Really? Oh, thank you.
Forget the flowers. I suggest using money to get that tooth looked at. Okay, put your fingers on this fret and your pinky down here. Now strum. And playing guitar isn't easy, so don't worry if you don't get it the first time. Whoa! You're a quick learner.
I've been playing since I was 4. I just thought it was cute how excited you were to teach me.
Give me the bottle.
So Kira,
Hey, give me
I
the
was
bottle.
wondering if maybe you'd wanna,
Dude,
you know,
return. No.
go out sometime? Like on
No.
a date?
A date? Are you being serious?
Oh, not exactly the response I was looking for.
No, it's just that I thought you and Allie liked each other.
What?
Easy noodles. Be nice.
You sure? Because
Be
I've never
nice.
seen a guy and girl spend so much time together that weren't boyfriend-girlfriend.
Trust me, Allie and I are friends. But not in
That
that
dog
way.
apparently.
Alright,
He's making me weird. Oh well.
I'll go out with you.
Goodbye.